Today, we are going to start our new chapter, The Three Surprises. Have you ever given surprise to anyone? My dear children, have you ever given surprise to anyone? I think maybe or may not be. It makes you happier when you give a surprise, rather a pleasant surprise, isn't it? Look at what surprises a boy like you is facing as he explores into the world of nature. Listen to the story, The Three Surprises, and as you listen, try to mark the correct response to each question you have in mind. Now let's read chapter. Happiness can be attained through simple things. That means it can be gained or achieved through a simple things. Once upon a time, there was a little boy. He had lots of toys to play with, the books to look at. But when the spring sun shone through his window and the sky was as blue as kingfisher's wing, he grew tired of all his things. Why? He was totally tired with the books, toys. He used to go out and play. His mother came into the room and he said to her, Mother, what shall I do? I don't want to play with my toys, look at my books anymore today. So he has just told to his mother that I am not interested to play with my toys today. I'm really fed up with it. And his mother, who could always think of lovely things for a little boy to do, said, Go out. You can go out into the sunshine and follow the path of blowing wind across the meadow to the woods and see if you can bring me back three surprises. That the mother who has told him, You can go out, who always wished to have some lovely moments for him, told him that please go out and bring me three surprises. So the little boy took his basket and went out into the spring sunshine. He followed the blowing wind across the meadow, and it whispered and sang in the ears. What he has done, he took his basket and went out to the spring sunshine. Oh, wind, said the little boy, I wish I knew what you were saying. And he is talking to the wind that, I know that, what are you talking to me? Perhaps you could tell me where I could find a surprise to put in my basket and take home to my mother. Oh, wind, said the little boy, I wish I knew what you were saying. I know that what you were talking to me. Perhaps could you tell me, please tell me where I could find surprises. Oh, wind, please tell me where could I find three surprises for my mother. Well, the wind blew and blew as if it wanted to be understood. Then it went winging its way ahead, and as it passed by, it dropped a surprise at the little boy's feet. So the wind has moved the winging its way ahead. So as it passed by, it dropped a surprise at the little boy's feet. The first surprise is going to see. The curled little tiny half moon was a feather, a black red tipped feather. When he picked it up, it lay in his hand, soft as silk. He's talking about, just explaining about the thing. It is soft as a silk, light as air, warm as spring sunshine. He put it carefully into his basket. What he has done? The thing he has kept into his basket and called out to the speeding wind. Thank you, wind, for my first surprise. So he was just thanking to the wind. Thank you for your first surprise. He has kept the surprise in his basket. Then he went into the little woods. Now he has moved, shifted to the. He has moved his direction to the woods. Last year's leaves, rust and brown, lay about his feet on the path, but the trees were green tipped and the birds were singing. So the last year's leaves were under his path. Under his path, the trees were green tipped, but still the trees are green, and the birds were singing. Actually, this was his first surprise. It was given by the wind. What is it? A feather, a black, red tipped feather. Thank you for listening me. Have a nice day. Thank you.